Welcome to Lana's homestead and my one-year permaculture garden. I've taken it from grass to sheet mulch to thriving food forest. Join me today as I try to save my cantaloupes from squirrels, harvest tomatillos and serranos to make salsa verde. Just had this crazy storm. They were saying there was a tornado in our area. Just tree debris everywhere, all over the street, trees down. We took kind of a hit on our tree. I guess Tom cleared the branches out, but it had fallen down over here. But the garden seems to be in pretty good shape. The cherry tree made it. It was leaning over a bit. I kind of restaked it up a bit. Looks like we got a couple corns down. There's just like debris everywhere. But looks like the garden's in pretty good shape. So the tomatoes made it. It doesn't look like anything has been broken. I just kind of came out and moved them around a bit, but none of the limbs broke. My bamboo structure support system worked pretty good. This one that my husband built out of wood seemed to do the best. This tomato, he fell down, but I don't think he's just pick it back up. Just kind of fix it up and push it back together. Another down corn there. Maybe if I can just prop them back up or what. I don't know. We'll see. Put them on these other guys for some support. See if they'll make it. Check back in over here. I mean, we certainly could use the rain. It hadn't really rained in a couple of weeks. I had run out of my stored water, so I was looking forward to the storm, but I didn't realize it was going to be a freaking tornado. But hopefully not too much casualties here. Can just prop everybody back up. I mean, the plants, they're supposed to be able to sustain some, the storms. These guys look pretty good. This guy was actually not doing so good because of this zucchini here was really just overcrowding it, but maybe it'll do better now. So that would be cool. But now the zucchini is just like really completely blocking the path. I don't know if we can just give it a little push back, maybe once it dries up a bit, come back out here and try to prop it back up. Let's see. Oh, we got a ball in the butternuts over here. Everybody seems to be doing pretty good over here. How about over here? Yeah, these guys, I mean, they weren't really quite large enough to need support yet, so they look pretty good. I got this guy staked up. It looks like maybe this guy could use some staking. I'll stake him up. Everybody over here seems okay. Yeah, looks like the cantaloupes kind of took a beating, but hopefully just prop them back up and they'll be able to recuperate over there a bit. My sunflower like just bloomed. Hi, I'm in the allotment today. I'm here trying to save my cantaloupes. So most of the cantaloupes got eaten by squirrels, just some little nibbles here and there, or some completely wide open. I have about one or two that have been untouched by the squirrel, so I'm going to try to save those. Also, some of them, the plants grow like they have little arms that go off, and they'll have cantaloupes growing on either arm. And just some of the little arms died. So I don't know if that is a nutrient issue or a bug issue. I'm not really sure. This is the first time I've actually successfully grown any cantaloupes. So I'm using this distilled water jug. I cut a hole in it. So I'm just going to try to put the cantaloupe inside and then close it off, and then it's translucent so you still can get some light, and hopefully the squirrels won't know how to get into it. So this is my friend Julie's garden. I've been coming over and visiting with her. So the best thing about having friends with gardens is sharing produce. So don't grow the same thing as your friends. So today I'm going to harvest these tomatillos. Julie claims that squirrels seeded these tomatillos, so thanks squirrels, because we're gonna make some delicious salsa verde with it. So this is the tomatillos and the serranos that I harvested from Julie's garden. You will also need an onion, some cilantro, and garlic. So here I am removing the husks from the tomatillos. They came off fairly easily. It did leave like a really sticky residue on all of the tomatoes, so you have to wash them. Pretty much had to like scrub each tomato to get that residue off. So one onion quartered. And then you'll need 4 Serrano peppers. So just want to be really careful with hot peppers. As you can see, I'm trying not to really touch the peppers. I just kind of grab the stems and then cut them off. You want to be really careful about, like, if you touch the peppers and then you touch your eyes, it can burn really badly. I decided to leave the seeds in, and that makes it more spicy. You can remove the seeds and then it'll be less spicy. And then you take the garlic, and I just used the flat part of my knife and smashed them, and that makes the skins come off really easily. You also want to be careful with the garlic. If you touch it with your bare hands, it can make your fingers just really smell like garlic. So you put all those ingredients in a pot and just cover it with water. And then you just bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 10 minutes. Here you can see the color really changed on the ingredients, and then you transfer it to a food processor, and then you add in the cilantro here. And then blend all the ingredients, and then put a couple teaspoons of oil in a pan on medium and transfer the salsa into the pan. So you just want to simmer the salsa for 20 minutes. So you kind of just do it based on your consistency that you'd like. If you want it thicker, then I would cook it longer until the water has reduced and gets a little bit thicker. See, I'm deciding, well, is it thick enough or not? Also, if you feel it is too thick, you can add more water. When you decide that the salsa is done, then you would add salt to taste. Okay, so I'm gonna check on my cantaloupe that I put in this distilled water jug to protect it from squirrels. I can see it's looking like it might be ready to come out, which is awesome because I had 4 other cantaloupes that got devoured by squirrels, I think. So let's see. Okay, look. Oh, look, the stem like has already come off, which is probably means it's ripe. So let's take it out of here. Oh yeah, it looks really good. It's even like, oh, even like split a little bit because it's so ripe. Oh yeah, I can like smell the delicious cantaloupe flavor coming out of it. Ah, oh, that's so awesome. It worked.